Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back in North Moat Redditch, documenting the Benniman reconstruction of the Honeywell Hymatic site. We're into August now, it's over 6 months into the project. If you are interested to see how it is, I've got videos from I think around about February when it first started. You can see everything is taking shape over the past few months. Nice little thumbs up from the security guard there. So this was just all framework on the last video. We're in Burnt Meadow Road and the Honeywell site, previously Hymatic Engineering. One of the first companies to be on Burnt Meadow Road. Good to see it's still going, to be fair. They originally were over by the B&Q site, if you know Redditch. I'm just going to walk up to Ravensbank Drive and get a better view, as I always do. Let's take a look down Ravensbank Drive. And round. If you are enjoying the content and what you're seeing, please do give it a subscribe. I've got just over 50 videos on now. They're all relatively short. I try and keep them between 3 and 10 minutes. I know when I watch videos I don't want to sat there for too long. I tend to skip forward quite a bit of some videos looking for interesting parts. I don't mind. I know I'll skip forward some of these when I get back and review them. This part in the middle here is the Honeywell, the Hymatic site. You can still see just on the side of that building the Hymatic sign, which is soon to be covered over forever until this is demolished and redeveloped in how many years? You'd like to think at least 50, but who knows? Maybe someone's watching this in the year 2075. Big gap between the two buildings there, they always used to be connected. It's not very smart. And this is common with your Benniman sites, they all have the same cladding, their identity. Looks like they've got a water leak here. And a couple of months ago they were working on this end of the road. Three-way lights. The water's actually really gushing out there. Let's go and take a look. Look at this. Wow. Thousands of litres just going. Look at this, man. It's about 7:30 on a Sunday morning at the moment, so I wonder if this will be finished by tomorrow. Or by today, hopefully. It's just shocking, isn't it? Hosepipe bans in parts of the country. This is just going straight down the drain. Oh, it's a Thornhill Road. This is what was the entrance into the KAC factory. What a nice bit of colour on the front of this building there. Still lots of work to be done here. Another couple of months at least, I think. Good to see that the overflow pipe on this unit on the right has actually stopped. Litres and litres of water been wasted down there as well. You can see anything from the bridge here. Just a substation. It's gone in there. Just all the framework here again. Drainage going in there. Okay, guys. If you are enjoying my content, as I said earlier, please give it a subscribe, a like, and as always, see you on the next one.